Gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon. I'm sure you're all very keen not to listen to a very long speech, as we all want to go and see the new vessel. But just to thank the members of the Vanua for taking up this initiative and working in collaboration with the Melanesian Trading Company to come up with another new exciting adventure in Fiji. Tourism, ladies and gentlemen, requires a constant creation or innovation of new ways of attracting tourists to Fiji. Because if we don't, the numbers will drop. If we don't, then our numbers will not only drop, but Fiji will not become as exciting as other countries. It is a very, very competitive market. But the wonderful thing about this particular tourism initiative is that it combines not just by adding another segmentation, but also by preserving our environment. Because one of the other reasons that people come to Fiji is because of the pristine environment we have. And we have to be very, very careful in protecting this environment. Because of growing population numbers, because of the chemicals, the different products we use nowadays, it can damage our environment. And if we are not careful about that. So this is a wonderful collaboration, a wonderful partnership, whereabouts we have the members of the Golingoli together with a private company coming together to not just create jobs, to not just create business and grow our tourism industry, but at the same time protect our environment. And to raise a level of consciousness that we require for everybody, not just in Fiji, but overseas, to know that the environment is a very, very precious, precious part of our lives, and we need to protect that. The second most exciting thing about this project is, as has been highlighted, the fact that this vessel is made entirely in Fiji. And I was just saying to Rob earlier on that we should probably put the Fijian made label on it. Because as you know, the Beni Marama government has been pushing Fijian made products. And we all need to be proud about the fact that this vessel is made entirely in Fiji. As Fijians, we need to feel very, very proud of it. And indeed, as he mentioned to me also, that there are other countries now interested in this type of vessel. So obviously it means that if it's made to quality, if it's made to standards, it's been certified by MSEF, other people will be interested in it. That means more jobs will be created in Fiji. And we indeed can truly have a true marine industry in Fiji. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fantastic occasion. I thank everybody who have been involved in this, the various regulatory agencies, the company, of course, with coming up with this initiative, putting in its money, its investment, members of the Vanua who saw this relationship that could be taken to another level. And the fact that we all gathered here today is very, very significant. And I'm sure that you all will give your blessings to this venture. I wish you all a very good afternoon. Thank you.